Hello everyone. My name is Sanya Sagir and I'm a student of first sem CSE studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. And my topic is types of function. This is an overview of the topics that we will be covering today. I will be talking about library functions and user-defined functions in brief. So, let's begin with the introduction of functions. Functions are self-contained blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. They enable code modularity by breaking down tasks into smaller, reusable parts. Functions enhance code readability and organization by compartmentalizing tasks. They facilitate code reusability, reducing redundancy and promoting efficiency. Functions have a name, parameters, and a body containing executable code. They can return values and can be called from other parts of the program. Now, let us understand what is a library function. A library function refers to a pre-written function provided by a programming language or external libraries that encapsulates specific operations or tasks. These functions are readily available for use within a program and serve a variety of purposes. Library functions are designed to perform commonly needed operations such as mathematical calculations, string manipulations, input-output operations, and more. Printf function from the standard library stdio.h is a library function used to output formatted data to the console. Its usage involves passing arguments to display informing according to the specific formatting rules. Here is a small example of library function. Here are some of the examples of library functions. The most commonly used are math.h, stdio.h, and string.h. Now, let us know about some of the advantages of library function. Time saving. Using library function allows programmers to leverage pre-written, tested, and optimized code. This saves time by eliminating the need to write repetitive code for common operations. Efficiency. Library functions are often optimized for performance. They are developed by experts, ensuring they execute tasks efficiently, which can significantly improve the speed and resource usage of a program. Standardization. Library function allows standardized conventions within a programming language or library. This consistency ensures that developers working with the same language can rely on the same set of functions across different projects, enhancing code readability and maintainability. Reliability. As library functions are thoroughly tested by developers at the programming community, they tend to be more reliable and less prone to errors. This readability contributes to the stability of programs utilizing these functions. Modularity and reusability. Library functions promote modular programming by breaking down complex programs into smaller, reusable components. Developers can reuse the functions across multiple programs, both reusability and reducing redundancy. Next, we have user-defined functions. User-defined functions are custom functions created by programmers to perform specific tasks within the program. These functions allow developers to encapsulate a set of instructions and logic into the code. Here, we have the syntax for the user-defined function. Elements of user-defined function. The three elements of user-defined function structure consist of function definition, function declaration, and function call. So let us know what is function definition. A program module written to achieve a specific task is called as function definition. Each function definition consists of two parts, function header and function body. Let us understand the structure of user-defined functions. Return type. Return type specifies the type of data the function will return after execution. It could be void if the function does not return any value. Function name identifies the function and it is used to call it from other parts of the program. It should be unique within the scope of the program. Parameters. Input value that the function can accept. They act as placeholders for data passed to the function when it is called. Each parameter includes a type and a name defining the data type of the input and how it's referenced within the function. Function body is enclosed with curly brackets. It contains the set of instructions that define the operation the function performs when included variable declarations, condition statements, loop are needed. Here we have the general syntax of function definition, which consists of return type, function name, function parameter, statement, return statement, and local variable declaration. Function header. Function header consists of three parts: data type, function name, and parameter. Now let us get to know these in detail. Data type. The data type can be int, float, char, double, and void. This is the data type of the value that the function is expected to return to call functioning. Function name. The name of the function should be a valid identifier. Parameters. The parameters are a list of variables enclosed with parentheses. The list of variables should be separated by comma. For example, void add int a, int b. Here, in the above example, the return type of the function is void, the name of the function is add, and the parameters are a and b of type integer. Next, we have second part of the function definition, that is function body. The function body consists of the following three elements: declaration part, executable part, and return. In declaration part, variables used in function body. Executable part, set of statements or instruction to do specific activity. Return is a keyword which is used to return control back to calling function. If a function is not returning value, then the statement is return. If a function is returning value, then the statement is return value. Moving on to function declaration. The process of declaring the function before they are used is called as function declaration or function prototype. Function declaration consists of data type of function, name of the function, and parameter list ending with semicolon. At last, we have function call. The method of calling a function to achieve a specific task is called as function call. A function call is defined as the function name followed by semicolon. A function call is nothing but invoking a function at the required place in the program to achieve a specific task. Here we have an example of working of function in C. Thank you for watching.